To pay with PayPal on Vinted, start by creating an account on the Vinted website or mobile app. Once you have found an item you want to purchase, click on the Buy Now button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, select PayPal as your payment method from the available options. Next, you will be redirected to the PayPal login page where you will enter your PayPal email address and password to log into your account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. After logging into your PayPal account, review the payment details to ensure they are correct, including the item price, shipping cost, and total amount. You will also see the payment method you have chosen, which in this case is PayPal. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your PayPal account, such as a credit card or bank account, you can choose which one to use for the payment. Select the payment method you prefer and click on the Continue button to proceed. You will then be redirected back to the Vinted website or mobile app, where you will see a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successful. You will also receive an email from PayPal and Vinted confirming the transaction. To ensure a smooth payment process, make sure your PayPal account is funded and your payment method is up to date. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on your account activity and transaction history to avoid any potential issues. By following these steps, you can easily pay with PayPal on Vinted and enjoy a secure and convenient shopping experience. PayPal offers buyer protection, which means you can shop with confidence, knowing that you are protected against unauthorized payments and eligible for refunds if something goes wrong with your purchase.